took a 3-day trip to one of the most beautiful islands and popular destination spots here in the UK. This boat, the Red Funnel, took us all the way there. But before we get into all of that, welcome you to the video. This is me, Vivin, and hope you're doing well. We've packed our bags, started our journey way early, even before the sun came out. There was constant drizzle all along the way, and we had to travel hundreds of miles. The island we're going to is called the Isle of Wight, and it's accessible only by ferries. There are 2 ports on the mainland that connects to the island, one at Portsmouth and the other at Southampton. We decided to go from Southampton. As the sun comes up, we've reached the port and we're boarding the ship. We pre-booked our journey through the official site, and as we are driving with the car, our vehicle registration number was all that was required for the pass. They carefully loaded up and docked each of our vehicles in lines before we headed up into the boat. The Red Funnel is a pretty good yard with food amenities on the second deck and a lounge on the same deck and the deck above. You can also sit outside, enjoy the beautiful air. Though it was cold for us, it is pretty refreshing. We got out of the boat, had breakfast, and headed out to Vineyard. This vineyard is one of the oldest ones. There are lots of varieties from different countries in this vineyard, which gives different taste to the wines. As we were early in the season, we could not see the vineyards at its fullest. The plants are pruned from below on a regular basis to allow overhead leaves to absorb maximum sunlight. This is essential for good quality produce. The grapes are very small as it's in the early stage of its growth. There's a small farm of chickens, pigs, and other cattle on the farm. After visiting the vineyard, we went to one of the most famous destinations in the Isle of Wight, the Shankill. Shankill Shrine is a geological feature and a tourist attraction in the town of Shanklin on the Isle of Wight. There are very few places in the Isle of Wight, let alone England, that can boast such a tranquil and picturesque location. The shrine cuts its way from Old Shanklin village to the sandy beaches and the esplanade far below. It has always been a magnet for renowned artists, photographers, and those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of modern age. In the beginning, Shanklin was merely a small agriculture and fishing community. Nestling at the foot of Chine, it was not grown until the early 19th century. As we walked along, we completely forgot that we started from a beach. Looks can be deceiving, ain't it? Looks like we walked in a tropical forest, and this place is still in the UK. While walking along, we came across these humongous leaves. Kind of reminded me from the movie The Journey from the Center of the Earth. Started the walk during day where we enjoyed the lush vegetation and towering trees, but as we walked along, it became darker and the lights started to. We were left to wonder at its mystical beauty when hundreds of lights illuminated the narrow paths, streams, and the waterfall that held within. As we were walking back to the beach, we were enthralled by the beauty, and it's definitely a place worth visiting one. Tickets to the Shrine can be purchased online as we did, or over the counter. These tickets provide unlimited 7-day returns including evening illuminations, live music, or events during Christmas. Journey back, we saw a humongous lift, the ones that I've never seen. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.